$1,493,482,000.70 in affiliate commissions on Clickbank in 2021. Yes, look closer. That's over $1.493 million. Now, in today's free training, we're going to show you how to promote super simple digital products the easy way. And as you can see, it works month after month after month, totally consistently. Hi, my name is Andrew Fox, and I've been one of the top selling affiliates on Clickbank and JVZoo for many years. I've sold millions of dollars online as both a product owner and a super affiliate. Yes, I'd bought my first two Ferraris by the age 28, a dream home on the beach. But guess what? Today isn't anything about me. Today, I'd like you to meet Thomas, a once struggling and very frustrated newbie stuck in the 9-to-5 rat race turned super affiliate, and he did it in record time just by using a simple, easy to follow blueprint, which we would like to share with you today. And I know you may be skeptical just seeing those numbers, and that's totally normal. So listen to what Kostechka, account manager at Clickbank, said. He's one of our biggest and most consistent affiliates at Clickbank and fantastic to work with. And you can scroll down this page and you will see a video from Kyle on this page. Now, warning, this super affiliate system is not about organic Facebook posts. No more wasting time with organic reach, with posts that people hardly ever see. Drop shipping, no more struggling paying thousands of dollars for drop shipping products that can leave you high and dry. Free traffic loopholes, no more wasting time on free traffic loopholes that don't even work. Poor products, no more promoting products that do not convert. And last but not least, no more listening to gurus who teach stuff that they don't actually use themselves. So how are we doing super affiliate marketing different than anyone else? Well, while everyone is chasing the herd, trying to make money with crypto or drop shipping or whatever the latest trend is, fighting for tiny scraps from the table, we are laughing all the way to the bank, promoting simple little offers onto the radar. And as you can see, it works $50,000.91 in a single day. And it wasn't always like this. Look, Thomas at one stage was terrified. He was 26 years old, lying in a hospital bed with a punctured lung, and that was the turning point in his life. He had tried and failed as a struggling newbie for many years. Yep, he typed in the classic, make money online on Google. He got tricked into, MLMs, various schemes, but nothing seemed to work. Tried drop shipping, but ended up wasting thousands of dollars with stock. Until one day, Thomas thought he had actually made that major breakthrough. He started learning how to run Facebook ads for lead generation for local companies. And guess what? Stress went 10x through the roof. He wasn't sleeping properly at night, and he soon realized he now had 20 bosses instead of one. That's what it felt like. And running an agency was actually worse and more stressful than his old 9-to-5 job. And thankfully, Thomas, for him, things are a lot different now. He's moved to sunny Portugal, where there's over 310 days of sunshine a year, living the super affiliate lifestyle with his family. And once you discover the system, you will realize how it's been right under your nose the whole time. So sit back, relax, and enjoy what could be a life-changing training for you. Now, we say screw the Lambo, okay? Social media distorts the truth about real life living. Now, what I want you to do is nod and agree with me right now while you're watching this video. If you think real life should really be about taking the morning off, maybe you want to lie in bed, take the morning off and go for a morning coffee in the sunshine, you can do that. Passive income. Look, we can't make any promises, but it has allowed us to comfortably live an amazing life on our own terms without working ourselves into the ground. Maybe you want to see your kids grow up. Why waste the best years of their lives slaving in a 9-to-5 only to realize you gave up that special time? Is health important to you? Looking after yourself and your loved ones and being able to afford the best healthcare possible? I know it's certainly important. Or maybe you want to buy your dream cars. Yeah, that's a picture of my Ferrari that I used to own. That's a picture of my Porsche Spider. It's not rented, it's not hard for Instagram. These are real things that I have had and owned in the past or own now, okay? Travel and be free. Go on luxury vacations with your family without the pressure of having to rush back to get back to your 9 to 5 job. Because you can do affiliate marketing anywhere with a laptop. And super affiliate marketing is about freedom to do what you want when you want. And we want you to win. So here's exactly how we do it. We use a 4-step commission collection system. We pick the products, we drive the traffic, we send them to specific landers, and we collect the commissions, okay? And some of the tiny little industries we are in, and these are going to be so simple and obvious: dental, toe fungus, alkaline healing herbs, okay? Once we've picked the product, the next stage is we drive the traffic, and we use specific interests and targeting on Facebook, like age, interests, hobbies, etc. And that's exactly how we do that. Next, and this is important, okay? We send them to specific made landing pages. Now, I'm going to be honest with you, depending on what type of offer, i.e., is it weight loss? Is it dental? Is it different things, weight loss? You need to know exactly what type of lander to use for what niche, okay? And then the fourth stage is you've got to scale the winners, campaigns that are winning, and cut the losers, okay? We just simply increase the ad budget on the winners and cut the losers out. And as you can see, when we scale our accounts, it can go from $1,200, $1,600 a day to amounts like $99,000 in a day, $73,000. And these amounts are definitely not typical. And these are our personal amounts. And we cannot guarantee you anything, but we can tell you this. You can figure out all the above yourself, what interest to target, what offers convert best, and what landing pages to use, and what ad budgets you can spend. You can maybe even scour YouTube watching videos, trying to figure it out for yourself, and go through the pain, frustration of trial and error. Or you could consider the other option, which is by joining our new Affiliate Millionaire training program, the ultimate step-by-step A to Z blueprint promoting super simple digital products. Now, this is a new training on becoming a super affiliate in 2021. And let me tell you how Affiliate Millionaire was born, okay? Thomas recently flew out to my $1 million beach house, okay? And the mission was simple: to create the ultimate super affiliate training. And as you can see, that's a picture of me and Thomas creating this course, okay? And the other picture is when we were on the balcony. Bit of a cloudy day there, but hey, it was all good. Now, we didn't get everything fully done, okay? So 3 weeks later, yep, we're on the beach. I flew out to Portugal, where Thomas lives, to complete everything. And we actually chartered an amazing boat. That was me out in the boat with Thomas and his amazing daughter. We actually seen dolphins and stuff. It was amazing. And I can tell you this now, okay? Hand on heart. Affiliate Millionaire is dang well spectacular. We've designed Affiliate Millionaire with one goal in mind: to be clear, simple, and easy to follow, and beginner friendly. Now, I can say this because Thomas is definitely not some fancy guru. He doesn't speak at events, nor does he have much desire to, do I believe. But he banks serious numbers. This was his commissions last week. This was crazy. $425,000 commissions in a week in November 2021, while he's just chilling in the sun with his family. Now, let me ask you a really important question, okay? This is a very important question. Would you rather be social media sandwich, pretending to be rich, standing beside Lamborghinis in some pose on Instagram? Or would you just like to be smashing out daily numbers like this, $1,600 a day, and then things like $50,000 a day, under the radar, while no one has a freaking clue what you're doing? And if your answer is yes, then I'd like to introduce you to Affiliate Millionaire, okay? And what I'm going to do is give you a quick peek of what's inside. Module number 1, we're going to show you how to research your hot proven offers. So how do you actually find the best offers? What are the best trusted affiliate networks? What ones earn you the best commissions? And a playbook so you can look through everything. Once you find your offer, next, here's what you need to do. You need to create the perfect lander. And we're going to give you about 3 different types of landers that convert like crazy, compliantly. So it could be a quiz lander, a splash lander, a blog style. It just depends. We'll show you the exact 4 questions that have boosted our click-through rates by over 9%. We'll show you the splash page, which results in $1.73 EPCs that nobody else uses, okay? And then module 3 is before you start driving traffic, you need to set up what we call funnel tastic and power tracking. We'll show you how to install the pixels the right way, because obviously with the recent changes with iOS 14 and everything, you need to put things the right way to make sure it tracks. We'll show you how to place your pixel with Clickbank's new system. We'll show you the hidden golden standard ad tracker that Thomas personally uses that costs pennies on the dollars, and how to work with the vendors to get the ultimate lookalike audiences. Module number 4. Now, this is a big module, all about your targeting and campaign setup on Facebook, okay? And, this is your A to Z ad structure, your campaign structure, audience targeting, the perfect testing formula, at what time of day to run your ad campaigns, warming up your ad account, what we call the German handshake method, which results in very low clicks, okay? This is a very good in-depth module. Then we show you the perfect ad copying creatives. And we'll show you the secret outlet for getting hot converting images to use in your ad for as little as $5. Do you have a smartphone? Chances are you do. We'll show you how to create ads. Thomas actually does this, and he uses his family to help him, okay? You don't need to use expensive designers. We show you how to use this. We'll show you how to double your conversions just by changing the angles of your ad, okay? So we're going to take you through everything here. Module 6, launching the campaign. What day should you launch your campaign on, and what time should you launch them on? What ad tracker should you use? Do you use lifetime budget or daily budget? Which ones is actually, you're going to be surprised when you find out the answer. And what is the optimal daily budget and the number of days that you should test a campaign to find out the winners and losers? We reveal everything. And then module number 7, you need to optimize and scale. We'll show you how to study your winning campaign method and scale using the quickfire method. We'll talk about moving the winners into your campaign budget optimization to scale fast, and when to use manual bidding to ensure you get ROI. So at last, you will have a clear blueprint to follow step by step. And what we want to say, this is literally the most up-to-date and new training on super affiliate marketing. November 2020, this is when this screenshot's from. You've got to decide, which path do you choose? Do you keep chasing the latest trend like crypto or dropshipping or whatever the flavor of the month is? Or do you finally cut out the noise? Do you follow a proven A to Z blueprint in a multi-billion-dollar industry of affiliate marketing? And look, it doesn't matter where you are right now in life. If you failed before, I know many of you have failed before, but so had Thomas. Look at him now. Do you have no technical experience? You just need to be able to read and follow a blueprint, take action, and believe in the program. Maybe you want a career change. Maybe you're in a 9-to-5 job now or business and you're just not happy. You're looking for some extra freedom. Maybe you want to escape the rat race. You hate what you're doing. Is it time you fired your boss and worked on your own schedule? And no more listening to gurus who teach stuff they don't actually use themselves. And with Affiliate Millionaire, you are covered by our 30-day money-back guarantee, okay? Just show us, that's all we ask, that you at least created an ad and drove traffic to a landing page. Just show us that you've done that. And if it still isn't for you, we'll cheerfully refund every penny you've invested. We can't make it any fairer than that. Isn't it time something changed? Time and freedom of choice is what super affiliate marketing is all about. And during our exclusive opening launch period, no monthly fees ever for the Affiliate Millionaire course. And we will even include these amazing quickfire bonuses worth $1,497. Bonus number 1, it's a video case study. Watch as we break down an actual campaign, the ad copy used, and the lander, full video walkthrough. Bonus number 2, the Holy Grail A-list offers. Save hundreds of hours while we actually show you our proven A-list offers with the top converting offers and the best commission payouts. Maybe your ad account gets closed down. Watch as we show you the formula that we have used many times to bring ad accounts back from the dead. And again, to reiterate, we don't promise or guarantee anything, but we are telling you exactly what we do and what has worked for us. And we know you want to feel supported after you join. So we are going to include access to the Affiliate Marketing Jedi Facebook group only for our customers. So begin your journey to become a super affiliate today with no monthly fees ever for the course, only during launch period. Join the program today. Affiliate Millionaire, the ultimate step-by-step A to Z blueprint promoting super simple digital products. Scroll down the page, click the yellow button now, click here to join Affiliate Millionaire, and we'll see you inside.